Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to share the tutorial how to format dates or how to use dates formula on the Google Sheet. So first thing we have to do is just go into the Google Sheet applications, and now I already have the Google Sheet. And now let's start the documents. You can just click this plus button to create the new documents, but here I already prepared the documents for you. So I have like a list of the name here. I would like to give the dates like in the left side of this name of these students. Let's type a date first for the title. Okay, and after that just click done. And now for the informations here, click the cells that we want to add the dates to, and after that you just need to go click this pencils button, and this pencils button you just need to go click the FX. In this FX, go in the date section, and now you can just go click the date. And now the Google Sheet will be give you and provide you with the formula that you can use. You just need to follow the instruction here. In this instruction, you need to enter the year that of the day that you want to add to. For example, I would like to use this recent date 2023, and after then you just need to go click this symbols. Here with the comb, but then if you use this but then this highlighted information is not moving, means that the symbol is not available. So you just need to use this instead of the comb only, and then give a space, and now enter the number of the month. Use the same symbols, and now you just need to enter the number of the day. Okay, and after you're done, you just need to go click return. Now you already have this date on your Google Sheet. So that's all the way how to create a date formula on a Google Sheet. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.